Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my review of the Nars All Day Luminous Foundation. Alright, it is currently, oh shoot, I don't have my watch on. Oh. Apple Watch. It is currently 4:34 in the morning. Yes, I'm not playing when I say it's 4:34. Let me unlock my watch and you all will actually see the time. 4:34. It is 4:34 in the AM. Yes, and it's raining. I picked up a sample of the Nars All Day Luminous Foundation. Not yesterday, Saturday. Today's Monday. On Saturday, and I wanted to try it out. I didn't want to buy it just yet because I was like, I don't know if this is what I want to do yet, but I wanted to go ahead and try it out. So what better way to try it out is on a work day. Like I said, also it is raining outside. So I'm not just trying it out on a work day. I'm trying it out on a rainy work day and with new hair. This is going to be very interesting. There's a lot of claims to this foundation. I'm going to talk about all of that a little later on when I get back home from work. But first, I just wanted to apply it here on camera so you guys can see it. And then we're going to get into all of the specifics and everything later. Because like I said, it's 4 in the morning. I have to get ready. I'm still not ready for work yet. I mean, I'm dressed, but I have to figure out my shoes. Because like I said, it's raining and I don't know if I want to throw my rain boots on and then carry shoes with me. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. So let me go ahead. Let's get into everything. The color that I picked up in this little tub is the color Vanuatu. And apparently I pronounced it correctly. So we're going to see how this applies. I think I'm just going to dip the brush in. The brush I'm using is the Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm just going to have to dip my finger in. We're going to do that. Actually, what I should have did was open my mirror, and I didn't do that because I'm trying to do 100 things at one time. Here we go, and the mirror is open. All right. They say a little bit goes a long way, so I'm not going to use a lot of it. So I'm just going to dot it around my face. Okay, I'm going to do some dots here. Alright, now I'm going to take the makeup remover cloth that's sitting right here. Rub that off my finger because I really don't want all that stuff on my finger to get on my clothes. And yes, my nose is a little runny. So we're going to go ahead and just blend it in. Okay, so far, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I have seen some reviews on it already. And a lot of people are raving about it. So, I was like, let me try it out. I want to see. Because I've never used the Nars foundation before. The Sheer Glow? No. Yeah, the Sheer Glow. I have to mix foundations with the Sheer Glow, which really upset me. That's why I was like, I'm not going to even make the attempt to do the Sheer Glow. I'm really not. Because I don't want to, that costs too much. That really does. I've done the mixing of foundations before, a long time ago with, let me see. I think I need to put a little bit over here. I think I used to mix with, Bare Minerals. When they first came out with makeup, I was actually mixing the powder foundation, and which was fine because it wasn't that expensive back then. Now, if I'm gonna pay this money, I feel, why should I blend? I mean, why should I have to mix my foundations? So that's how I feel about that. So, alright, I have applied all of a little bit. I didn't use that much of the sample. I still have a lot of the sample left over. So I could probably use this for a few days if I want to. Cover up the redness around my nose because I'm still recovering. I'm still having runny nose from the croup. I have a weird feeling this shirt is going to be too warm for today, but I'm just going to wear it anyway because I pulled it, and that's all we're going to do. Okay. All right. Well, my very first impression. Here we go. All right. My very first impression is I'm looking at myself in the monitor. I actually like it. I like how it looks. It looks really nice, and I can still see my skin. Still see some of my freckles right over in here, right up in there. I still have freckles, and it looks really nice. I'm not hating it. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish my makeup really quick, and I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna do a time test, because apparently one of the claims is 16-hour wear, and I work 9-10 hour days, so we're gonna put this one to the test. So I'll be right back with my whole face. Okay, I'm back. My full face is on. My hair is all fluffed out, and I'm already this is a hair channel, so of course I'm gonna look at my hair first and be like, oh God. If day one hair, oh God. This is going to be fun. But anyway, no big deal. We're not talking about that today. Actually, this product that's in my hair right now, I believe I already spoke about it last week, or I'm going to talk about it next week. I cannot remember the schedule I have, but we ain't going to talk about all that. Okay, it is 4:53. As you see our favorite little baby. It's 4:53 in the AM. So I work, like I said earlier, I work pretty long days. I work between 9 to 10 hours. So let's see. Like I said, one of the claims of this foundation is 16-hour wear. I don't know if I'm going to do I'm doing 16 hours or not. I think I wear foundation, foundation probably 11-12 hours maybe. I don't really remember. I don't know, but we're gonna find out here and when I come back home from work. And like I said, this is actually going to be a really good test because it is raining outside. I believe it's windy. I heard that didn't they say this was like the windiest day? I'm getting a head nod. He doesn't want to speak on camera. You can say hi. All right, let me get in a little closer so you guys can see the foundation one more time as I look across the room and see your favorite cat is being herself. And you guys can kind of see my hair product, but we're not going to talk about that either. So all the rest of the products that I am wearing on my face will be below, so you guys will be able to see that. So I'll be back a little later on today when I get off of work and out of the elements, because and let you all see how my face looks when I get home from work. So I'll talk to y'all in a few hours. 13 and a half hours later. I think I want to say 13. Has it been 13 and a half hours? It is 6:01 in the PM. I am home from work. Been home for a while, actually. I've been on the phone talking about what's current stuff. Anyway, as you guys see, this is my face. I've not done any touch-ups. Actually, the makeup has been wiped off around my nose because I have been blowing my nose all day. You know, I told you all I'm getting over the croup and the pressure, and our weather's really jacked. Anyway, but this is it. This is how the foundation looks after 13, I want to say 13 and a half hours. Because I think I put it on at 4:30. I'll have the time down here. So yeah, I believe it's 13 and a half hours. From what I remember, this foundation is a 16-hour wear foundation. Here's the thing. They're saying this foundation is a 16-hour wear foundation. I'm actually reading the website right now. Let's see. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm not. But it does says it is infused with raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts to help smooth and improve the look of your skin instantly. So, all right. how do I really feel about this foundation? Because funny thing is, today was my first time testing it. My sister actually tested it out today too, and we both talked about it a little bit too before I got on. My thoughts, and I'm looking at my monitor right now. I am a little oily here. There's some oil here. Of course, you know, the T-zone, basically the regular oil. That's why I oil up. That's why I oil up it and stuff. How do I feel about this foundation? I actually like it. I actually really like this foundation. I don't feel it on my skin. I think the only thing I don't like about my makeup is my eye makeup, and that's my own fault because the colors I picked are very close to each other. That's like the only thing I don't like. But this foundation, really, that's what I'm talking about. This foundation actually is really good. I love the look of it. Granted, yes, funny thing is I've got a few bumps on my face, but anything new that goes on my face reacts. It's just a thing. They'll go away overnight. Would I buy this foundation? Yes. Yes, I would actually buy this foundation. In fact, I'm actually going to go ahead and put it in my cart at Sephora, so I'm going to probably be ordering it this weekend. But yes, I do love this foundation. I actually really like the wear and how it looks. Like I said, I don't feel it on my face at all. The only thing, like I said, is I feel my actual skin here is because I've been blowing my nose all day. Because I've been, you know, congested and running nose and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I mean, just looking at it and how it looks on camera, it looks good. It stayed on all day. I think the only thing that's gone is my blush. But I don't wear my blush very dark anyway. So, but that's it. That's really it. Like I said, I am going to buy this foundation. I am going to put links to Nars' site and Sephora below. Those are places where you can get this foundation. I know you can get it probably. I don't know if Nordstrom has it yet. They probably do. But I know that Nars and Sephora has it. So I'm going to put their links below. All the details of my makeup that's on my face, you're going to see below also. I think I told you guys that this morning. And I'm going to get out of here because I need to eat. It's after 6 o'clock, as you all know. And I need to eat and I need to do some homework. Yeah, I got to do homework. Shit. I don't want to. Gotta go. I'll talk to you guys later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.